If you think Tesla's the only game in town, you are totally wrong. There's a lot of great product out here, and if you want to hear more, stay right with us. Welcome back to the channel. This is 4 Minute Friday. I'm Lauren Fix, sponsored by audiobooks.com. We are going to show you a vehicle that jumps over Tesla. This is the Rivian R1S. It is a 7-passenger sedan. It is such a cool vehicle. What's really neat about it is not just the fact that it's electric. It goes 400 miles on a charge, and 0 to 60 is about 3 seconds. Price point on this vehicle is coming in around $72.5. That's amazing considering the price of what you're getting for a Tesla. There's 7,777 cells that are charging this SUV or their pickup truck, which is coming in around 69,000. Both are true adventure vehicles. You can go kayaking, you can go boating. I don't think I'd want to take a Model X, a Model S, or a Model 3 off-roading because you'd probably be calling a tow truck. The fact is this vehicle has every single thing you'd want in a family vehicle. You can use it every day, you can tow, and that's why I'm really impressed with this. Beyond the fact that they have an investment from Amazon, you are absolutely going to see Rivian available on the streets. You can order them now, put a deposit down, you'll get them around 2020. I'm impressed, and it's really hard to impress me with an electric vehicle because you guys know where I stand. I read your comments, trust me. But when you're looking at this awesome vehicle, how cool this looks, the signature lighting and everything about it, both inside and out, even little details that you would think about in an adventure vehicle, having a flashlight in the door. Tesla could never do that. He's more worried about everybody on Twitter and trying to play around with all the finance people. The CEO of Rivian, he's got his head on straight. He's not ADD. He's focused on bringing a quality vehicle to market, and that's also really impressive. We were at the launch of this vehicle. The people that were ex-Tesla owners, they're already moving on to Rivian. That's old school. This is new school. This is what people are thinking about. And if you have not looked up Rivian, it was the hot hit at the LA Auto Show when we're here in New York. It is impressing journalists, it's impressing consumers, and I'm sure it's going to impress you as well. One of the important things about Rivian is the CEO of the company really has his head on straight. He's very focused on the business aspect of this. He's hired people from the industry who really know how to market this car, get this car to market properly, in a dealer network so you can have maintenance. If you've ever owned a Tesla and you had a cracked windshield, you're waiting 12 weeks for a new part. That's absurd. You shouldn't have to do that. Rivian's really focused on creating a dealer network so you as a consumer can have an adventure vehicle that you can use every day, no range anxiety at 400 miles on a charge. I have to say, this is something that's going to make a big difference in the business aspect of electric vehicles. Consumers are going to start seeing the difference. Right now we're about 2% of sales. Vehicles like this that have longer range are going to cause consumers to take a second thought. And that's one of the reasons that RJ, who's the CEO, really is looking at the bigger picture. And with an investment from Amazon, Tesla, you better watch out because this is the new game in town and you're just old school. We're sponsored by audiobooks.com. Make sure to get your free audiobook. Just click that link down below or check it out on our website. Check out the description down below and of course a link. Check out Rivian. I'm pretty impressed. I think you will be as well. See our latest video up here and of course you can subscribe and some more information right down below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.